Ever cracked your knuckles and wondered what that loud pop actually is? Most people think it's your bones grinding together, but that's just a myth. So what's really happening inside your fingers? I'll explain, but first, if you don't want your hands ending up like this, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who cracks their knuckles all the time. When you crack your knuckles, the pressure inside your joint suddenly drops. That drop creates tiny gas bubbles in the fluid between your joints, and when those bubbles pop, that's the sound you hear. And here's the cool part. Those bubbles take time to form again. That's why you can't crack the same knuckle twice right away. But wait, how many times did I just say knuckle?